Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Office 2024 for free. Let's start. First of all, let's go to the site Office Deployment Tool, and then click on the first link, then click download. It's downloading. Now go to Office Customization Tool. In this customization tool, uh, click on Office LTSC 2024, then go to language and select Mac operating system, then click on next, the installation, next, next, click on finish, and click on export, then Office open XML formats, then OK, then I accept the terms, export. It is downloaded. Now go to local disk C, create a new folder, new folder, Office 2024, then go to downloads, select this both, then Control X to cut it, go to Office 2024, Control V to paste it. Okay, now extract this by right clicking and run as administrator. Yes. Then click here to save, continue, then go to the exact directory where this is saved, this Office 2024. I've already extracted this, so I am closing it. Okay, command prompt and run as an administrator. Change the directory. Change the directory to Office 2024. Enter. And now you need to type setup configuration dot xml. You can see it's been downloaded. You can see it's now going to complete in just a moment, so you need to have patience. Just have patience. Now you can see that the Windows Microsoft 365 is already installed. Close it, close everything. Now let's see that the word is working or not. Let's go to the word uh, word blank document. It's working, but when you go in the account and see the Office user info, it says activation required. So you have installed the Windows, but you haven't used a valid product key, so the Office will not work for a long time if you install it this way. So you need to permanently activate this, for which you need to watch my another video, which I will be uploading soon. Uh, Thank you for watching this video.